Hey guys, welcome again to another video here on our channel. This video here today, we're going to be reviewing the Residence Inn in Charlotte, North Carolina. So stick around with us as we review this beautiful brand new hotel in downtown Charlotte. This hotel is a combination between AC Hotel and Residence Inn by Marriott. And this is located conveniently right in the heart of downtown Charlotte. And is located near restaurants, bars, and the sports arena. And also it is right by public transportation. Because this hotel is combined with the AC Hotel, it actually inherits some of the features that AC Hotel offer, such as having a bar right by the lobby area. The hotel also offers a convenience store right there in the lobby area, so you can be able to purchase snacks or drinks or anything else that you forgot. And this is really good because you do not have to leave the hotel if you're just looking for something small. The hotel lobby offers modern day decor and it's just beautiful and relaxing and gives you this calming feeling when you're staying there. From the lobby area, you are able to also experience the city skyscrapers that Charlotte has to offer. The hotel provides a designated area for you to be able to do work. For example, when we were there, we needed to catch up with some work and the kids were doing their homework, so that was a perfect place for us to be able to go down and do that. The hotel also provides a gym, so if you need to be able to work out while you're staying there, you can be able to do so, and it has gorgeous views of the city. The room tour presented by the kids.
Hello, welcome to our house. This is our appointment. So today, and this is everybody. This is our kitchen. So here we have a freezer that's empty. And this is our new house, and our refrigerator is empty. And then we have this microwave. And then a coffee maker and a toaster. Then some cabinets. And then one right over here. And then these are some coffee stuff. And then this is the sink. And this is the dining table. And then this is these are the drawers.
What does it have?
It has some tablespoons, utensils in there. And then this is our tasty dishwasher. And this is our sink. And then when you come up here, you can see this TV. This desk for people to work on. Then this small table and this couch and my drawing set over here. And now we're gonna take the rest to Abigail. Hello. So now this is our bed that we sleep on. And this is the bathroom. These are the bathroom. This is the shower. Right here. And the toilet. And the trash can. The toilet paper. Sinks.
What about here? This is a nice, beautiful
shower
shower space. The shower is huge.
now I'm going to show you one more thing. And then this is the best closet. We put our stuff here so we can save them in there. And one more thing I'm going to show you.
Is that our view?
Yeah. This is a good view. And you can see it over here. It's so best over here. You look. Actually, eyes up here.
As you can tell, our family enjoys staying at the Marriott family hotels, and this Residence Inn was spacious enough for a family with the separation of a living room and the bedroom area. It actually allows us to be able to sit there and enjoy, and as if we were in our own house. And the kitchen space allowed us to also the ability to be able to make meals when we stay there, or order food out and be able to still enjoy. Stayed in a studio that had a queen-size bed and also a sofa bed for the children, and the bed were comfortable enough for us, and I think it allowed us to be able to sleep comfortably without any issues. We also had amazing views of the city, being able to actually spot some trains where they're passing down.
So one thing to remember if you're going to be here is that the breakfast is not like other places. So I think it's just because of COVID. But I was a little bit disappointed because we've recently visited a lot of other Residence Inns that actually provided full breakfast. So a little bit just disappointed on this one here. But I guess the breakfast can do. So the kids are happy with it. So, yep.
I must say here, because this hotel is a combination of AC Hotel and Residence Inn, they provide you with a menu so you can be able to order a la carte. However, I think if it wasn't because of COVID, they would have full menu for the Residence Inn. Also, the hotel provides you with a convenience store that you can actually purchase something there if you also want. And they give you free coffee in the general area where you can actually be able to just serve yourself coffee in the morning. As far as breakfast is concerned, I think it was good enough for our family, even though it was not what we expected. As for dinner, we were able to order meals out as the hotel is conveniently located near a lot of restaurants. So you have options for you to be able to order food out. Overall, I think this is a great hotel to stay at because it's conveniently located around all the amenities that you need from Charlotte. The hotel gives you great views of downtown Charlotte and also conveniently located right in the heart of the city. The hotel provides you with modern day decor, and it has a mini store that you can go ahead and purchase snack items if you need to. And in addition, it's just being downtown, it is located conveniently around everything that you need. So it is just one of the amazing hotels that we recommend, and plus the room size and all just the space, the bed, were comfortable for us to be able to stay there, and then also it provides you additional working space that you need, and then the kitchen, so you are able to cook your meals if you need to. So we'll definitely recommend this hotel. One thing to be mindful is the parking. Although the parking is available there, but it is costly. I think it runs somewhere between $20 or more per night. So be mindful of that. So if you are staying in the Charlotte area for your next visit, I would definitely recommend that you check out and you book your stay at the AC Hotel / Residence Inn in downtown Charlotte. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Again, if you're new, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video with many other friends. We'll see you on the next video.